Hi guys, it's SBYT and today we turn our attention to the brand new, soon to launch OnePlus 9 series, and in particular the Pro model, because it looks pretty juicy indeed. Now firstly, if you follow me on Twitter or Instagram, you will know that OnePlus actually sent me a kind of sneak peek about what's to come. Go and follow me over on those platforms if you want some behind the scenes kind of updates, breaking tech news, and just a bit of banter really about cats, sport and life. What more could you want? Oh, and I did mention I've got tons and tons of Samsung S21 cases, different models of course, and I will be giving those away over on those platforms. So if you want a new S21 model case, then you know what to do. So OnePlus, according to a lot of sources, are due to make their brand new flagship series available from the 23rd of March for pre-order. But before we get to what we're due to expect, we also believe they're launching their brand new smartwatch as well. We know that OnePlus have been looking to increase their ecosystem portfolio in recent times with their new TV and wireless earbuds, etc. And now it seems it's time for a smartwatch. There have been heavy rumours that it will be round in shape, which is my personal preference, but you may prefer square. And Wearable.com reported that there has been a regulatory filing with India's BIS suggesting that there could be two variants of the watch. No huge details on the spec differences between the two, but expect two sizes. We expect it to run with Google's Wear OS. OnePlus traditionally have a very good working relationship with Google, and conversations between the two companies over the software were confirmed by CEO Pete Lau in a recent interview. So on to the new phone series. And we expect three different variants, the OnePlus 9, 9 Pro and Budget 9e, which did actually appear on the Spigen website. They of course make smartphone accessories, etc. like cases. And the website listed that this budget offering will include the Qualcomm Snapdragon 690 chipset, the same as the OnePlus Nord N10, with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. It's unclear whether there will be a downgrade in chipset between the OnePlus 9 Pro and the standard 9, but the most expensive, most elite Pro model will have the Snapdragon 888 chip, with 12GB of RAM according to the latest leaks. Leaker Blast hinted that people buying the OnePlus 9 will get a regular set of Buds Z wireless earbuds, with the OnePlus 9 Pro customers receiving a Stephen Harrington edition. So the OnePlus 9 series will, as expected, have a whole set of brand new colours, including such classics as Arctic Sky, Astral Black, Winter Mist, Gloss Black, Gloss Gradient Purple, Stellar Black, Forest Green and Morning Mist hues. They sound succulent. Now, as well as the brand new chipsets, it looks like OnePlus are focusing heavily this year on camera, which will please a lot of people, and they will be making their camera array in conjunction with Hasselblad, the really popular Swedish camera and lens manufacturer. They're famous for making the camera that NASA used to photograph the moon landings, which would make the moonshot teaser make sense. Apparently there will be a quad camera array on the Pro, including a primary, ultra-wide and macro lens. In terms of display, it sounds great, but there doesn't seem to be too many huge changes. AMOLED, variable refresh rate up to 120Hz, Quad HD Plus resolution with a max size of 6.7 inches on the Pro model. The standard 9 has been leaked to be slightly smaller at 6.5 inches and only Full HD Plus in resolution, but it is still AMOLED. And the E, or the budget variant, is apparently going to be a similar size but LCD instead of AMOLED. IP68 rating on the Pro, which will also include a 5000 mAh battery apparently, and it will have a starting price of around $700 USD, give or take the conversions, and the standard 9 will be apparently $600 USD and the E or budget variant will be $500, although knowing the chipset is the 690, the same as the N10, we may see some give on that price. It may actually be a little bit cheaper, I would imagine. Pricing is just speculation as always at this point. So expect the Pro model to have a beautiful display but not too many changes, an upgraded battery and an upgraded camera with all the raw performance of the Snapdragon 888 chipset. Let me know what you think of the leaks of the OnePlus 9 series. Are you excited for it? Is there a model in particular you're looking to buy, or is there another smartphone altogether that you're looking at? Like and share if you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Go and follow me on my other social medias if you're interested in the giveaways and the behind the scenes kind of stuff. Sub to the channel if you want to see my OnePlus 9 series coverage as and when they drop. I love you and leave you. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.